What's up guys, it's Ipe. So it is week 5 of Supreme Drop and today I am doing another live cop. I'm hoping we don't take any L's today. I usually never do, but you know, I want to be able to get what I want. I actually think this is one of the best drops so far. I used to not like Champion as much, but I started liking it a lot this year, so I'm really feeling it, but I don't want to really get anything for my personal. There are 2 things I wanted to get, but one of them is not dropping today anymore, which was a sweatshirt, so I'm so glad because all I had to focus on is getting the sideline hooded sweatshirt, and it is crazy how fast they sold out in Europe. So hopefully I'm able to get at least one because I just want to resell that. I really like the small box tee, but $58 just for a small Supreme logo right here, nah, that's not worth it. Basically all I'm gonna try to get is a sideline hoodie. Not sure which one I'm gonna get, so you guys are just gonna see that in the live cop. Okay. Oh, it's not loading again right away. Hate it when that happens. Oh, come on. Oh no. What? Oh dear, I took the L. I hate it when that happens. What the hell is going on? Nothing's showing up. I hope everyone is going through the same thing as me. It's been a minute now. Okay. Oh my god. Thought I was for sure getting the black one. Oh my god, this is bad, this is bad. I took the L. I hope I can at least get the lavender. I don't even know if it's worth trying to get any of the other colorways. Oh my god. Okay, we are taking mad L's. Cool. Damn, I can't believe that went by that fast. Maybe a small box logo? It's not worth my money, guys. Alright guys, I don't know where I left off because I was just so bummed on taking that fat L. It's crazy too, I felt like I was pretty fast as well. And looking at sub community, I found out what happened. So I guess some people were able to access it earlier and then they just locked the site or something and then made it look like everything was sold out until the products loaded later or something like that. And then I guess there was a restock, so I'm super bummed that I couldn't get on that because let's just say these items resell for so much more than I expected and almost all the hoodies sold out insanely quick. Yeah. Let me know if you guys want me to keep uploading live cops even if I do take a L. The thing that makes up for is that I do an unboxing with them every single time, but the thing is, if I do a live cop next week, I won't be able to do an unboxing, so let me know if you guys want to see something. Maybe I'll unbox something else with that live cop, who knows. Oh yeah, and I forgot to say, this is the Supreme unboxing from the Public Enemy collab. I really hope I got Public Enemy collab stickers. Those look so sick, especially the box logo. I have not sold this shirt yet, and I am gonna probably sell it super cheap, so if you guys want it, follow me on Instagram at Hype. That's where I resell all my stuff. I have so much stuff there. Oh my gosh, they hooked it up with stickers, man. I am so hyped. Damn, this one is super sick. Fear of Black Planet. It looks like Star Wars. This sticker is dope too. The White House sticker. This thing is heavy. Oh, I really fucks with this Supreme box logo. Honestly, I feel like they should have printed this graphic on the t-shirt. I felt like that would have been so much sicker, like on a black tee, maybe even white, but I personally would buy it for personal if they had this one on there. Yeah, hate on me if I don't listen to Public Enemy or whatever. And then got the regular box logo. No, I'll just open it and then package it up nicely. Anyways, I always take it out just for the photo. Anyways, to be honest, even though I don't really know anything about Public Enemy, I feel like a lot of this stuff they dropped is super sick. This is the Terror Dome t-shirt. I usually just try to sell things super quick, and for my followers, I usually sell it pretty cheaper compared to like on other apps that I sell on. So if you guys want to buy anything from me, seriously, follow me on Instagram. Like, I don't know why some people want to find out what other places I sell on when I probably sell for like $20 more or something. Seriously, like, I hook up my followers, and people who understand about pricing, my followers do know that. Yeah, I really love the tag on this shirt. It's unique. It has undercover above the box logo, so that I love more than anything on this shirt. It says Undercover Supreme on the back, which is also super sick, and their shirts are really high quality. And I don't know if I showed you guys, but look at what I got. The Odd Future Vans collab. These are brand new. When I was selling these, people were complaining that I was selling them for more than 100 when they go for like 150 to 200. So I thought it was crazy when people were like, you can just get them at Zoomies in their ugly shoes. And if you guys made it to the end, let me know if you guys want me to make a live cop next week, even if I take L's. So yeah, let me know. I just want to post it based on what you guys are feeling. Yeah, like, comment, subscribe. That always helps. Thanks, yo. Peace out.